So you're tired of being told how to make money online and it all turning out to be a bunch of BS? Well, here's the no BS way to do it. Making money online is not magic. It's moving value from one screen to another and getting paid in dollars instead of attention. Every successful online income stream fits into one of three buckets. You sell a product, you sell a service, or you sell attention. That's it. In 2025, over 5 billion people use the internet daily, and most of them spend 3 to 7 hours a day on a phone. That time translates into trillions of dollars flowing through platforms like marketplaces, payment processors, and ad networks. The opportunity is real. The confusion is artificial. The hard truth is this: if you cannot clearly describe what you are selling, who is paying, and why they would choose you, you are not building income. You are gambling on algorithms. Most beginners chase platforms instead of skills. They ask whether dropshipping, YouTube, affiliate marketing, or AI tools are still working, as if money expires every 12 months. Platforms change. Human problems do not. Someone in Texas still needs a logo. A bakery in Toronto still needs Instagram captions. A startup in Berlin still needs a landing page that converts 2% of visitors instead of 0.5%. The internet is simply a distribution layer. The second mistake is underestimating math. If you want $3,000 a month, that's $100 a day. That could be 5 $20 sales, 2 $50 services, or one $100 contract. When income is broken into daily targets, it stops feeling mystical and starts feeling mechanical. Online money flows through leverage. You either leverage skill, audience, capital, or systems. Skill leverage is the fastest. A copywriter can charge $500 for a sales page. A video editor can bill $1,200 for 4 short-form clips. A freelance developer can charge $60 per hour and work 20 hours a week. That's $4,800 a month with no warehouse, no inventory, no ads. Audience leverage scales differently. If 50,000 people watch a video and 2% click a $40 affiliate offer, that's 1,000 clicks. If 5% of those buy, that's 50 sales. 50 times $40 is $2,000 from one asset. Systems leverage is building something once and letting it sell repeatedly. A $29 digital template sold 300 times is $8,700. The math is plain, the execution is not. The real shift happens when you stop asking, "How do I make money online?" and start asking, "What problem can I solve repeatedly?" A person who loses 20 pounds using a structured meal plan can document that process and sell a $49 guide. A college student who masters resume writing can charge $75 per client and handle 4 clients a week. That's $1,200 a month from one skill. At this point, effort becomes targeted. Instead of watching 40 tutorial videos, you send 20 cold emails a day. Instead of redesigning your logo for the 5th time, you improve your offer so it converts 1 in 5 calls instead of 1 in 10. Income rises when clarity replaces curiosity. People believe passive income arrives first. It doesn't. Active income funds passive income. Nearly every successful online entrepreneur started with services. They wrote code, edited videos, designed websites, or managed ads. Service work generates cash flow within 30 to 60 days because businesses already have money. Only later do they productize. A consultant charging $150 per hour might package their knowledge into a $299 course. If 100 people buy it over 6 months, that's $29,900. But that product works because it's built on real client experience, not theory. Skipping the service phase is like trying to build a rental property before earning a paycheck. Cash flow first, assets second. The online economy is not hypothetical. In 2024, freelancers globally generated hundreds of billions of dollars in revenue. Platforms process millions of payments daily, many under $100, proving small transactions compound. A designer charging $30 per thumbnail and delivering 10 per day earns $300 daily. Over 22 working days, that's $6,600 a month. Even if workload drops by 30%, the numbers remain substantial. Small digital products follow the same logic. A $15 Notion template sold twice a day equals $900 a month. Increase traffic by 3 times through consistent content, and revenue follows. These are not lottery outcomes. They are volume multiplied by value. The lever is consistency, not luck. Making money online is not about escaping work. It is about choosing your constraints. You can trade time for money at $20 per hour in a local job, limited by geography and schedule. Or you can trade skill for money online, where clients exist across 24 time zones and payments move instantly. The effort is real in both cases. The upside differs. The internet rewards specificity. I help e-commerce brands increase email revenue by 15% is stronger than I do marketing. The no BS truth is simple. Pick one valuable skill, solve one painful problem, reach out to real people daily, and track numbers weekly. Do that for 90 days.